So do you remember when I released these mini RC Consuelas about a year ago? Well, now there's the Mega XL version. All right, check this out.
That's right, guys. We got the Cleetus XL helicopter. So we're pretty big fans of Cleetus, so obviously I had to buy this guy. I was about to buy the mini one, the one he came out earlier, but my brother-in-law Victor, who helps me a lot with my videos, he's the one that told me about this one. He doesn't know I bought it, he doesn't know I have it, so we're gonna go over to his house and we're gonna give this one to him. So I'm gonna pretend that, you know, we're gonna film our RC car or something like that. So hopefully we could surprise him with it, and he's gonna do the unboxing and we're gonna fly it.
Hey, nice tires. Ooh.
Hey, this is actually yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, dude.
No, why is it mine? I don't know how to fly them. Thanks, dude. Well, let's open it. Let's see if we can crash it. Oh, yeah.
Tubeless charger.
Yep.
Oh, you gotta put it together a little bit, huh?
Yeah, looks like.
It looks pretty sick, dude. Oh, even comes the helipad. Nice.
Damn, Daniel. So
look at that. Dude, looks pretty sick.
This is a big one, huh?
So yeah, this is the big one. This one, the one that looks a little bit more like the scale. It has the 5 rotors instead of the 4 like the mini one.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one's a little bigger. Oh, extra blades?
Yeah.
Nice. We're gonna need those. You sure that's safe?
How do we fly it?
We got power. Oh, dude, it's pretty stable. You know, we might have to adjust the trim a little bit. Oh, this is nice, dude. What mode are you in right now? 1?
I just put in second.
Second?
Let's do third.
Oh, dang.
There's third.
Pretty quick, dude. Oh, shoot. Kind of hard to follow it, man. It's pretty quick. Then you can land on the back on the cart. Oh, oh, hey, you did land though. I think you just popped that thing off.
I pressed the land button. There's a land button.
Oh,
I was way off.
dude, not bad. Look at that. Dude, nothing broke.
I mean,
Oh, just a little ding, but it'll still fly. If you press landing, I think it will just drop it kind of, you know. I think you have more control if you try to do it yourself.
think so?
Yeah, look at that. Brand new.
Nothing happened.
Okay, we're gonna see if we could attach this little camera. This little guy, I think it should have enough power to pick it up. If it does, that'll be pretty cool. Get some cool little flying shots with it. We attach the camera to the side. Yeah, then we could get some pretty cool shots. See if I could even zoom in on it. Oh, right there, where is it? Kinda hard to see it. Oh dang, dude, that's pretty high up. Whoa, dude. Were you pretty close to the trees?
Yeah.
Yeah, overall, this thing's pretty nice. It's a lot better than some of the other helicopters we flew. I think just because it's a little bit bigger, it feels more stable. It's pretty nice that it looks exactly like the real one he has. Yeah, it flies pretty good. Oh, it's beeping? Oh, yeah. I don't know, man. Gonna try to land it again? Ah! Ah! That was so close. Ah! Dude, look at that, dude. Professional, dude. Hey, where'd you get your pilot license?
Cleetus. When you buy one of these, Cleetus sends it to you through mail.
That was like probably 20 minutes flying time.
Yeah, and I was speed 3.
Yeah.
Most of the time, just flying.
Yeah, we flew a good 5 minutes with the camera too.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice that you actually could pick up the camera. That's pretty cool.
Nice, has a light
Yeah.
in front, so you can actually
See which way you're going.
if you're going towards you.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when it's far, you can't really see which way you are.
No, overall, it's a very, very cool helicopter.
I mean, we dropped it that one time, just little scratches. Other than that,
Yeah, on the props.
the legs broke or anything. Props.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Durable, dude.
Yeah. Watch this.
I mean, he did crash his mini one, and then he did crash the big one. When we crashed it, we just lost the cover and just this little wire for the light, and that's about it. Here you guys go. Just little quick unboxing review of the Cleetus helicopter. Pretty sick. Like I said, it's pretty nice that this is the XL version, so it's a little bit bigger. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, this bigger one, so it's actually,
Yeah.
you can kind of see it from afar too. It's bigger a little bit and stuff like that.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. Subscribe down below. See you guys next time.